Hi friends, this is Krishna. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I would like to give two stock recommendations. The first one is TCS and another one is Wipro. So for TCS, the Q3 result is scheduled on 8th of January, and for Wipro the Q3 result is scheduled on 13th of January 2021. And both TCS and Wipro are going for a buyback. So this was announced during last quarter result. So for TCS, the buyback value is 16,000 crores, and for Wipro it is 9,600 crores. So when there is a buyback, it will reduce the number of stocks available in the market, and as a result there will be a demand. And for TCS, the buyback option, it is already subscribed by 163%. For Wipro, the data is not released yet, and TCS, the buyback price is 3,000 rupees, and for Wipro the buyback price is 400 rupees. So most of the people would tender their stock for this buyback option to book their profit, and at the same time they can enter into these two stocks at this price so that they can gain some additional profit. So the first and foremost reason, because of this buyback, the number of shares available for trade in the open market is getting reduced. So because of that, there will be a demand, and when there will be a demand, the price will automatically goes up. So this is the basis. Moreover, there is a relation between TCS and Wipro that I will show you. So whenever TCS price goes up, the Wipro price also goes up together. I can show you some example. So I have set the chart to day chart for both TCS and Wipro. So let's see, TCS achieved its 52 weeks high price on 29th December. So the highest price was 2952 rupees. Wipro, the 52 week high price was that 390.50, and that was achieved on 29th December. And on 23rd and 22nd December, Wipro closed in green. So if you check TCS, 22nd and 23rd December, TCS also closed in green. 16th and 17th December, TCS closed in green. So 16th December, Wipro closed in green, but in 17th it is not. Let's check another date. 8th December, TCS closed in green. 8th December, Wipro also closed in green. So 23rd November, Wipro closed in green. So 23rd November, TCS also closed in green. So basically, in IT index, how this works, whenever TCS price goes up, Wipro also goes up. Likewise, whenever Infosys goes up, HCL Tech also goes up. And that happened even today. If you would have observed the market, today both Infosys and HCL tried to kiss the 52 week high, but it was very marginal. So the day range is 1258.40, whereas the 52-week high price was 1258.85. So it is very, very marginal. The same thing happened for, see, it is only 15 paisa difference for HCL. So today this move happened, and for TCS, how do I know what is the bottom? Because it achieved the highest price on 29 December, and yesterday there was a correction, today there was a huge correction. So how do I know what is the bottom? So below, this is the RSI chart. So here you can see, whenever TCS RSI comes down to this level, it again bounce back, which means this acts as a strong support. You can see that point here. Here I have marked all those points. So from this point there is a huge bounce back. So this RSI, different people may use different values, but I typically use a 66.66 on the higher side and 33.33 on the lower side. So you can see many reference like this. So today during closing, the RSI was around 57. So tomorrow, if there is a correction, I think there could be some correction on TCS, because it has to move to a new high. So if there is a correction, I would probably initiate a buy signal as soon as the RSI reaches to this level, that is 48. So what would be the target price? So 52-week high price for TCS is 2952, and today's closing price was 2862. So we already have 90 points from this value, because this will break out the 52-week high. So we within this price also we already have 90 points. And let us check the option interest. Let us check for TCS for January month contract. So the closer strike price to the current market price is 2850, and that call option is trading at 112 rupees. For the same strike rate, the put option is trading at 90 rupees. So combine these together, we have 200 points. There is a possibility to move on either sides. But since it is a result season and also the buyback is going on, so the possibility to move on the lower side is limited, because the correction is already, because in the last 2 days, that is yesterday and today, it has corrected more than 90 rupees. So if at all there is a correction tomorrow, we can expect another 10 or 20 to 25 points, but not below that. So from current market price, so if you add another 200 rupees, this will be roughly equivalent to 3050. And for January month contract, the highest option is available for, the highest open interest is available for 3000 call option. So for TCS, my target price would be 3040 or 3050. So anything close to this range, you can start to book your profit if you are an option trader. And I expect the call option 3000 strike rate, currently it is at 57 rupees. When TCS reaches around 3000 or 3030, this can move over 115 or 120 rupees. So it is almost double the time of your investment. So this is for TCS. For Wipro, you can see in 3 hours chart, it has just entered the buying zone from oversold zone. So let us check in 2 hours chart, same. But in 1 hour chart, it is slightly on the, it is almost at the border of the overbought zone, but there is nothing to worry because we are on the result mode. So for Wipro, the 52-week high price is 390 and current market price is 386, so which is very close to this price. So when there is a move on TCS, we can expect Wipro will break out this price. And I won't wonder if Wipro cross 400 rupees by tomorrow or by next week. So my target price for Wipro, let us check this also. I select January month contract. So current market price is 386, the closer strike rate is 385, or you can take 390. So 390 is trading at 15 rupees call option, or the same strike rate the put option is trading at 18 rupees. So combine these together, we have almost 32 to 33 points. So what it implies, from 380 you can add another 30 points, that is 410 or 415 rupees on the higher side. Likewise, the same is applicable on the lower side, but as I said, the lower side is very limited. And I would recommend to buy 400 call option, which has the highest open interest. Even today there is an addition of 3,52,000 open interest. So when Wipro crosses 410 or 415 rupees, this strike rate contract price, currently it is at 11.45 rupees. This would be doubled and this can go up to 23 or 24 rupees. I hope this video is useful. Thanks for watching.